The string head assembly is a replacement for your trimmer's trimmer head. It includes the housing and eyelets, the spring, and a spool preloaded with trimmer line. The string head will wear with use. The bottom of the spool will wear down from rubbing against the ground. The clutch tabs on the spool and the housing will wear. The housing or spool can be cracked. Replacing the string head assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spool retainer from the trimmer head. The spool retainer is a reverse thread. With the retainer removed, now I can remove the string head assembly and install the new one. And I'll secure it with the retainer. And that's how easy it is to replace the string head assembly on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.